Within the first 14 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 12 exclusive tankless water heater installation leads at a cost per lead of $41.59 with a total ad spend of $500. And in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how our lead generation funnel helps home improvement companies get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money. So our lead generation funnel starts with the offer, because the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be the offer, and number two is going to be your ad creatives. And with the way these social media platforms are going, they're going to do the heavy lifting in terms of targeting the right audience and all that. So the only thing we have truly control over is going to be the offer and the ad creatives. Now, once we come up with a unique offer, then we're going to create the ad creatives. Now, for the ad creatives, we like to use a price-first strategy. It means we're going to have some sort of a pricing right in the ads, like a starting ad prices, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Now, once we get the ad creatives made, then we're going to run meta ads to the offer, which is going to be Facebook and Instagram. And so once people see the ads, we're going to have a CTA where it's going to say, get quote. Then we're going to take them through 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions to have the leads pre-qualify themselves. And then at the end, we're going to ask them name, email, phone number, city, or zip code. Now, once they hit submit, they're going to come to our system as a new lead. But we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some are just not serious. So we have this backend automation, which is going to ensure that only serious leads are coming through, and also the leads that are coming through have given us their correct phone number, which is going to increase contact rates. So the moment a lead submits the form, we're going to send them an SMS. So this is going to happen on autopilot. There's no humans involved. So our automation is going to send an SMS that goes like this. Hey, first name, it's Max from XYZ. Thanks for requesting your tankless water heater quote. Just reply yes to confirm your number, and I'll get you scheduled. And the system is going to wait for them to say yes. Once they reply with a yes, then it's going to reply back saying, perfect, thanks for confirming. I'll give you a call shortly to go over your options. Now, right after they reply with that yes, that's where we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. They go down this branch. We're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. Our end client is going to receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead, where they can call and book the estimate. Now, seconds after that, we have this call trigger feature, which is very important. So the way this call trigger feature works is it's the moment the lead comes in, right after we send the lead information to the client, it's going to call the client's front desk, and then it's going to call the lead, and it's going to bridge the calls, which is going to ensure that you're calling the leads in less than 2 minutes, because that's very important. Half of the battle is generating the leads. The rest is, calling the leads immediately, booking the estimate and all that. Right after that, you set the appointment, you show up, give the estimate, and then you'll take it from there. Now, you might be asking, what happens to the lead that don't reply with yes right away? Well, that's not a problem, because we have 3 more follow-ups, sometimes 4, depends. We have 3 more follow-ups that go out to get that yes from them. And for the leads that given us their, invalid phone numbers, replied they're not interested, or they just opted out, they just go down the trash, our end clients are never even going to see them. Now, in terms of how we set up these campaigns, so for this clients, we're running a $50 a day budget. And for location targeting, they wanted us to target set zip codes that they wanted us to target for them. So we can target by city, zip code, county, whatever. And then for age, 35 to 65 plus. These are most likely homeowners. Genders, all genders. And then targeting, we've left this broad. And we're only targeting Facebook and Instagram feeds and reels. The next important thing is going to be our ad creative. Now, we test 8 to 10 different ad creatives, sometimes images, sometimes videos. For this client's images working better, so we're testing different ad creatives so we can give Facebook more ad creatives to work with. So again, we use a price-first strategy, means we're going to include a starting ad prices in the ads, because it's going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. And the other most important thing that you want to notice is when you're creating your ad creatives, you want to make them look organic to the platform. You don't want them to look too professional. As you can see here, this this ad looks like it was made by a 10-year-old, and these are winning ads because they just look very, you know, very simple. It's not complicated. As long as they look organic to the platform, that's important, because on Facebook, like, people can sense what an professional ad looks like. If something looks like an ad, then they're just gonna swipe. They're not gonna even bother reading anything else. So you want to make sure the ads look organic to the platform. All right, now if you own an HVAC or plumbing business or any home improvement business and you're looking to consistently get more exclusive pre-qualified leads, book more jobs and ultimately grow your business, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team, and we'll go over a 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if we can help you. And that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day.